Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys we got awesome product to review. They sent it to us. It's a curved LED light guys. Stay with us, we'll be installing it on that Rover. Okay, you know that we're building our off-road vehicle. So check out, first thing we find in the box. Look at that, that's the company, Nilight lighting, LED lighting, pretty good stuff. Those are decals, if you need to use them. They look pretty good quality decals, so if you're building an off-road vehicle, you can always use them for something. It comes with everything, the whole kit. What I like about this kit is that it's the curved LED light. I don't like the straight one so much on the Rover because the windshield is curved a little bit. So I think it will look amazing. Look at that, it comes with a whole wiring harness. It comes with a fuse, it comes with a relay. So all you need for it is here. And this should be the switch to turn it on and off. We're going to install it inside as well. Okay, right there. Looks like a really good quality switch. And let's pull the light out now to see what it looks like and what it comes with. Oh, there is more stuff here now. Those are the mounting brackets and bolts. Wow. That thing looks great. You can see, kind of like looks like carbon fiber a little bit on the inside. It has a different pattern LEDs. I think some are the flood, some of them are spotlight LEDs. You can see how big it is. 50-inch curved. It looks really, really well built. So we're going to go ahead and install it to see what it looks like now. Okay, those are the mounts actually. You can see they have the rubber base on the bottom as well. So that looks really, really sturdy. It's not thin by any means. The link for the LED bar is in the description below, and the company we got it from. So far, it looks great. I want to install it on the vehicle and let you know, guys, what we think about it, how it illuminates, if it works really good. So let's go ahead and do that quick, and we'll come back to it. So we got the bolt here now for the mount. That's with an Allen wrench. That they even send you the tools. So I don't think you need to buy any hardware. We'll see if we'll make it, if we'll be able to make it work on that Land Rover Discovery. Okay, and it's adjustable as well. So we'll see once we install it on the vehicle which way we need to go. Alright guys, so we installed the light. As you can see, it looks amazing. What we did, we put the wire under that cover right here. It's removable on that Land Rover, so that's a really good spot. We didn't have to drill anything for the wire. And then it comes with the relay. Okay, as I told you, it comes with the whole package. So far everything looks good. So we just installed the relay mount there, and we fed the wires, okay, you can see, to the cabin. Okay, there is a return wire. This one will be for the switch. Okay, right here. It's a little bit of a mess now, but we're going to be detailing it today. Okay, this is the switch, and you can see how it goes. Blue goes to copper here. Okay, so blue will be this one right here, then white, and then black. And next we'll need to install the cables for positive and negative that go towards the battery. Okay, you can see they're a little bit long, so we'll probably just fold them, and that's where your fuse is located as well, right here. So you can always open this one and check the fuse inside. Make sure that it's all the way in. It should be a 30 amp fuse. And we're going to install it on the battery now. Black is negative. Okay, right here, and always use gloves when you work around the battery, because that as it could get on your fingers. We probably should. Okay, so we're going to push the clamp all the way in and get it tight. Alright, perfect. This one is in. Now, the negative here now, and the positive on the other side. Okay, so if I keep this thing up like that. Okay, so we'll install the wire now there. And stay with us to see how it's going to perform now. Okay, so we're going to use a couple zip ties here later to put everything nicely. Because it's pretty long cable, but that's a good thing because you don't have to buy anything special. You don't have to buy any supplies, any wires, relays, fuses or anything like that. It comes with everything. So we just have that cover here that we're going to install next. Okay guys, we got the zip tie. We're ready to install the wires back there now. Okay, so they're out of the way like that. Okay, let's see if it actually works now. That's the moment of the truth. See if we did everything like we should have. Oh, look at it. It looks pretty mean. Oh my goodness, that thing is bright. Alright guys, you can see the switch illuminates inside as well when it's on. So that's great, you know that if it's working or it's not. So let's go ahead and see actually how bright it is. It's still daytime, okay? And you can notice on the sides of the shop as well. So that's pretty awesome deal there. We're gonna make a video tonight guys, so stay with us. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like at night. We're gonna actually install one of the decals here guys, the sticker, to see what's gonna look like. That's like a whole new Rover now. Okay, maybe right there. Yep. Oh yeah, right there. I think it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and see how it's gonna work at night now. Okay guys, so we're gonna go test the LED bar and see how it feels at night and see if there is any improvement. Stay with us now. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check the LED bar now and see how it actually works. Okay, I have the lights on. Okay, those are your lights. Those are bright. Okay, just now. Okay, let me show you now guys. Just 1 second before we blind the person coming, because yeah, that would be bad if we turn them on now. Okay, let's go ahead and turn them on now. Okay. Wow, that's just unbelievable. You can see the difference yourself. Let's turn it off. On again. Okay, I'm gonna turn the brights on. Okay, you can see, and that's with the LED light bar. That's just unbelievable. Let's see how it looks on the outside. Okay guys, so let's see now. Wow, that's just unbelievable right there. I don't know, the camera cannot focus, I cannot see, I don't even want to look at it. So definitely recommend the product guys. The description and you can find the link for the product is underneath the video below. So Go ahead, check it out, guys, if you need some. Okay, let's see how much light we get. That's amazing. So I'll see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.